Hey guys, this is Maya from Trade Labs, and in today's video we're gonna do another short and sweet recap of the gold forex trading market and what happened in today's charts. Now, if this is something that you're curious about and you're interested in and you are definitely following the gold forex trading charts, then stick around and let's jump right into the video. Welcome back guys, this is Maya from Trade Labs, and like I mentioned in the intro, today we're gonna do a recap of the gold forex trading market charts and what happened in today's market, especially what were the biggest moves, what was the potential of today's trades, and basically what details did I pay attention to when I looked at today's chart. This is something that can be really useful for you guys, especially if you're new to the forex market and you're just looking for tips and tricks. So if you're a beginner in the market and you're looking for some tips and tricks in the forex trading industry, or you're just a veteran in forex but you just want the deets of today's gold market, then stick around and let's jump right into those charts. Okay guys, so what you're seeing on the screen right now, it's a snapshot of today's market and especially one specific really powerful trade that happened in the gold forex trading market. Now, the gold forex trading market, as you know, has been a really, let's say, roller coaster history in the past 2 months. Why? Because it went all the way up, then all the way down like crazy, and now it's starting to, let's say, come back to a normal mid-level situation, what we used to have before it actually went off like a crazy market. As you know, gold is one of those metals that kind of holds its value, especially when it comes to investing in it, and it usually is really stable in terms of movement. However, because of the really important changes in the political events, you know what I'm hitting with this, let's just say that gold has been going crazy, especially on a daily basis. It has really high and important moves, like really valuable heavy moves that you can definitely take advantage of if you have the right equipment to let you know that a really good trend is starting. Now, what you're seeing on screen here, and speaking of which, this is the momentum trading indicator, which most of you guys would have already know based on previous videos. This is the proprietary indicator which was created by us here at Trade Labs, so you can have the kind of level of information and detail as accurately as possible in a really pleasant and clear way. As you can see, this is night and day difference between what a normal chart should look like and your squiggly day-to-day candlestick charts, which nobody can actually understand fully and completely. Is just really confusing and really time consuming to try to understand. So therefore we created this bad boy here to give you everything you need into one glance. Now, as you can see here, is where the actual start of the trend was notified by the momentum trading indicator. This actually happened in the previous market day at around 10 o'clock and went all the way up until this point here, which was roughly 4 o'clock in the morning. This is really early in the morning, and we are talking about an Eastern time timetable. But let's just say that based on previous experience and the videos that most likely you've seen on this channel, if you haven't, then go ahead and watch them. Gold is behaving like crazy very early in the morning, and I mean really insane powerful moves that is just a shame to get past it, let's say. So if you have something like really useful like the momentum trading indicator to notify you when these trends are actually starting, you wouldn't have an issue with waking up at, I don't know, 4 a.m. to close this trade, would you? Back to the actual trade itself and the potential trade. If we were to understand what happened exactly in this chart here, we were to consider the highest points and lowest points of the trend itself. The lowest points would be roughly around here if you were actually looking at the lowest point of the trend. That would be at a price point of 1848 and went all the way up, as you can see, until roughly here, just close to the change of the direction of the market itself at a price point of 1864. Now, if you do the math behind these two, you would be left with an outstanding 14 points difference. Now 14 points you can easily transfer into pips, so therefore you have 14 points times 100, and there you go, you have a really powerful potential of 1,400 pips in the gold forex trading market into one trade in one trend. This is one of the smallest ones that we had in the past few weeks, if not months, but definitely it's an extra potential of 1,400 pips in the gold forex trading market without any kind of effort. This is literally served on a plate for you. You just need to get in and actually take this for you. But definitely it's better to have this than nothing. So what's your excuse for not trading today? Okay guys, so that was it for today's video. I hope you found it useful, informative, and really good for your trading skills, let's say. Definitely today's chart has one powerful move that we could have seen as a crazy potential of 1,400 pips into one trade, one move, no effort involved whatsoever. So this is literally served on a plate for you, like I mentioned earlier, and definitely I cannot recommend the momentum trading indicator more than I'm actually doing on a daily basis. As you can see guys, as you can see on a daily basis, I'm showing you these really huge powerful moves, an insane battle between the bulls and the bears where the momentum trading indicator comes out as a winner every single time. So if you want, you can go back and watch all my videos here on the TradeLabs channel and you'll see what I'm talking about. I'm talking about really massive potentials on a daily basis if you have this tool. Now, this is something that can definitely help you, and it's just making a night and day difference in your trading life and in your trading skills, and I'm talking from my personal experience here. Speaking of which, if you'd like to try our new trend trading indicator, then click the link below and sign up for a free trial. That being said, I really hope you enjoyed today's video, you guys, and found it informative and really good for you and your trading skills. If you did, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you're not already, please consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button down below. That's it from me today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.